We are in day 6. We want to build a student-facing layer. So we want to make the vault usable by students, not just me. So they say, first we need to create the, we need to create, welcome, this was the concept map. Okay, so we need to do like the, okay, so we're just gonna be like, students start here. Okay. All right, so we go here and create student start here. We go to student facing. This is, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. We go here and okay, so we just copied and pasted that. Now we can go to this. This is the main map. We don't know the function path and model. Oh, so when you write things like this, when you write things as a link, even if they don't exist yet, they are created. So you create things by creating links. Oh. Let me show you. So here, those didn't exist before. Like this one, these are grayed out. But when you click this, then you get a new node called word example. And the same here, common misconception index. Now we have a common misconception index. And we can go here that all of those things that we just created from like clicking the link to an existing things are, you cannot see it. They are here. Here they are. They are in this part. We need to go here. They say, okay, we have this. We completed the student facing. And let's say we created the new pathway because we know how to create a field, and then create a note how to use this concept map. So yeah, we need to do how to use this concept map. I am gonna do close overs. Okay, we did that. Ah, this should be check mark. I'm making all the check mark for this. And they say we need to create an extra revision recommendation and common misconception index. So we go here and let's go here. So extra revision recommendation. We need to create common. Oh, it wants us to create like index for the thing. Misconception, worked example. This needs to add also an index. Everything have an index right now. So add links to the main canvas map. Make sure no instructional notes are linked from the student's dashboard unless intended. So that would be, if I go to student facing, starts here, everything is students only. I am doing the check mark again and I have issues. Square. So let's just do the add links to the main Canva maps. So here we have, where are the canvas? This, let's add cards. Oh no. Control Z. Add cards. Add a note from Vault. We can do this. Just like right down here. These are my student facing pathways. So I know how to add to them to the Canva map, and I made sure that this is still a work in progress, but I check it right now, like make sure the instructional notes are linked from the student's dashboard. So they say, oh, this is another way, or it's an example of pathway. So goal, we're gonna have the derivative as institution of change, study orders, practice, video, common misconceptions. Yeah. So we have a start page, which into a pathway. We don't have it right now. And we don't have like it completed. We have examples. We have the common misconceptions. We have revision resources, which we still haven't complete, but we are gonna do that when I am not talking like this and when I actually know how to do the thing so that I can just go there and do it. But yeah, that's day 6.